Sweet Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Yo, why low? Why low? Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. About good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
But you know where they
Okay.
sorry me this table but we with me spend no time kakra ma me anka.
I'm inside of me.
9
Nice meeting you.
Okay. Anyway, me din the see Confion but you never say.
Open me the
Oh, who say we fine baby on. And me so me who street that. The first time I'm the cross you street ni. But me who no what attract me. You know say me back forward na me no be din komo na me who more. I hope say hard win there.
Mattia.
With the Mr. Minim say me the little time. But at least me who din then we pick it from there. At your frost saying.
Akosia.
Okay. Minim say open in time so say na be I mean waste time Mr. Wa ho ofe ene say na we see bright into no for contact mama bi na me front at one come so. Why?
Hey. Thank you.
All right. King kwa last one on the mempem 24 and beyond. I got you. What did you say happened?
I don't know what is wrong with my cousin. I asked him for some money to fulfill my exam bills next week. He promised to give it to me, but then I don't know why he's acting all up. That's how the whole issue came up.
So the best thing you could do was to pack your stuff and leave the house?
Yes. I just didn't want to be there with him.
Wow. So what are you going to do now?
I'll just find a way.
Anyway, no come again.
Thank you. Do you have something in the fridge? Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm just still a little bit shocked that you're here because I didn't expect you to come.
Where were you expecting me to go?
Because you were supposed to be here the last time and you just left.
But I'm here. I'm here now.
Because of a misunderstanding.
Come on.
Oh wow.
You told me you don't want me here. Shut up my thing and leave.
I never said that.
Come on. Gotcha.
What's the deal are you going to make?
Ext you? Or what don't you want?
That's fine.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. So tell me how are you going to pay your fees for your exam tomorrow now?
I don't know. Right now you're my only hope. I just don't know how I'm going to get it. I really need help with the fees, yeah. So I was hoping that you could help me pay it off, yeah. It's just tomorrow. I can't miss the exams too. Hey, please.
Do you think I don't want to help you? That's not what it is. If I didn't consider helping you, I don't think I would have allowed you in here to cook, to get comfortable and all that.
So, are you gonna help me pay it off? Do you want to say something? Talk to me. Hey. Hey. Come on, say something.
What about? What about the other guys that you're talking to? The other guys that you send
the exact same messages to me, too.
Sorry, I'm a bit. Can I use your phone? My battery just died. I need to text someone on IG.
Sure.
No, thank you. Can you? Hi. Oh, thanks. Thank you. So.
See you.
I. We're together with the big ears.
Where's that one coming from? Where's that one coming from?
Sorry?
Mind you. Change the channel. Let's go.
Hurry.
Yeah. That's the second time you've turned down the call.
There's nobody.
I don't mind. Pick it up. If the person calls again, pick it up. It could be an emergency. Who knows?
Just ended.
Person's calling again.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. Sure. Alright. Later. Bye. That was my friend in school. Yeah. She was asking about the exam tomorrow. What is it?
Here's something.
Okay. What are you getting?
Come.
Should I follow you? Hey. Are you okay?
Fine.
You sure?
Yeah, fine.
No, you look a bit quiet. Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so I want to know if you can help me with the money for the exam tomorrow.
fine.
You're a bit quiet. What is wrong with you?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? Okay, so I want to ask if he can get me the money for their exam fee tomorrow, Boahen.
What's the time even? All banks are closed now. I wish I could have helped, but what about tomorrow?
The exam is tomorrow. But you can use your ATM card, right?
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Okay. So, why don't you go get it? Alright. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Go get the money first. Yeah? I'll surprise you when you come back home. Up.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay, sure. Run your shoes.